December 1998. The champion circus rolled into Barabati, bringing with it a magical world of trapeze artists, laughable jokers, foreign stunt performers, jugglers, and what else? Two peculiar donkeys, Chetan and Nandu, appointed by the ringmaster to carry loads. During breaks in the morning, Chetan and Nandu sneaked out of the back gate to have a look around. They spotted a lush green riverine island in a short distance in the middle of Mahanadi River. They could easily trot that far as water was only knee deep. It was there, under the golden sky, that they stumbled upon a herd of wild donkeys munching happily on the tender grass. Chetan jumped out of joy. I can have absolute freedom. No more chains, loads, or beating from the circus staff. Chetan stayed back while Nandu returned to the circus alone without showing any interest. In a few days, the circus headed for another city. December 1999. The champion circus again reached Barabati and the Mahanadi river bank. Nandu, filled with excitement, went out in search of his dear old friend. But when he found him, his heart sank. Chetan and his friends looked frail, their ribs visible through their coats. What happened to you all? Nandu asked in shock. You look starved. Chetan gave a weak smile. We had a super cyclone in October. The storm wiped away most of the grazing fields. We have barely had anything to eat for days. While returning, Nandu offered Chetan to come back to the circus, but he denied. Another year passed. December 2000, the circus reached Barabati as usual. Nandu eagerly paid a visit to his friends in the riverine island. This time, he was surprised to see robust donkeys with their coats gleaming, and they looked happier than ever before. Chetan greeted Nandu with a broad smile. Hello, my friend. It's nice to meet you again. But why do you look so worn out? Nandu lowered his head, ashamed. After you left, there is no new recruit. But the work has doubled. The donkey work day and night has made me sick and weak. Chetan said, Oh Nandu, look around you. We may have struggled, but now we are free and thriving. You can too. But Nandu said, No Chetan, I can't. When I joined the circus, the ringmaster promised me, Nandu, look at that pretty girl swinging on the ladders. As and when she falls off due to a misstep during live performance, I will make her marry you. Hope is still alive and not lost.